Oh, look at that, absolutely beautiful. What a sunrise. Oh, I do hope it's going to stay like this. Good morning guys, and welcome to Seton Cliffs on the outskirts of Arbroath, Angus, on the east coast of Scotland. Sorry if I'm silhouetted, but look at that behind me. Fantastic. I'm here to photograph what's called the Deil Heid, a sea stack. Oh, look at that, absolutely beautiful. What a sunrise. Oh, I do hope it's going to stay like this. But anyway, back to the sea stack. Yeah, I have been here before. That was in high tide, but I'm going for a low tide shot. I'm also going to try a bit of cave photography while I'm here, so join me on this little mini adventure on a bit of seascape. See you down there. Hey guys, and that's me down at the bottom now. Haven't pushed right down to the lower level down here. I will do later on because I want to get some close-up, intimate shots of the water actually in motion. With that water just slowed down to about half a second of the Deil Heid. At the minute, my composure or composition I've got set up at the minute. So I've got this just down here, this little cliff here to the left of my photograph, then in the background the Deil Heid, and obviously that sunrise coming up. F11, 1 second exposure. I've got a 0.6 graduated filter in for that sky because that is going to be quite powerful, that sunrise, when it does actually come up. But this is an absolute fantastic location, and I don't know why I haven't seen online more photographs of this place. I mean, I said that to myself last time I was here, but with low tide I think this is going to be a bit better, where I can get down to the water closer, get some more intimate shots. So let me put it on time lapse for you, capture what's going on, and I'll see you soon. Hi guys, so what a sunrise that was, and hopefully you got that all on a time lapse. Just wipe that screen there for you. So the Deil Heid, fantastic location. I was actually capturing that. I dropped my stop on that to around about an F9 and working my way up to F11 and focus stacking the rock formation, starting down here and working my way, focus stacking all the way to Deil's Head and to the clouds. I was bracketing this shot and hopefully I'll blend them all together to make one lovely picture. I haven't actually tried a panoramic with this shot, but you never know. I'm going to give it a try, and if it turns out nice, I'll put it on. Wow, that was pretty epic. So I've just been in the cave there, doing a bit of cave photography. Massive amounts of bracketing on to get that image, and a bit of light painting as well. But absolutely gorgeous place this. Look at that. I tell you what, you do need to, not just for photography, but you know, just come and visit this place. It is absolutely gorgeous. I've got the whole place to myself, which is unbelievable. I've seen one person this morning. Very nice, so tranquil. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the images, and I'll see you very soon up in the mountains of Scotland. Hit that like, subscribe. See you soon, folks. Bye for now.